In the next minutes, a new door can open for you, for a life full of new opportunities. I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and I have a free webinar on how to learn and speak German in record time. I'm sure you've heard this many times before, but I'm going to prove to you why your frustration with learning is finally over. No matter how old you are, no matter if you have talent or if you are starting from scratch. If you open this door to learn German in record time, you will find new job opportunities, travel to new countries, or even integrate more and more socially in this new global world. So, are you curious about it? Then let me tell you a little story about this door. Many years ago I had a broken door at home and the door just wouldn't open anymore. Personally, I couldn't fix the door, so the door stayed closed. But over the years I lost a lot of money and time to find professionals to open this door again. But nobody was able to fix my door, so the door stayed closed. One day I had my parents over and the first thing my dad noticed was my broken door. For the evening I had to go shortly to the supermarket to buy something to eat, and I left my parents for a moment alone. And when I was back, guess what? A miracle! The door was finally open. But how could my dad fix the door and everybody else couldn't? Very easy. Because in this moment for my dad was nothing more important to help me. So he put all his energy into this project. Okay, my dad, it's a quite good mechanic and he also knows to use tools. But the key to success was his passion for the project. You may be wondering right now, what the heck is Marcus telling me here and right now? But this broken door is your German. And today, your search for a solution is finally over. Because my motivation to help you speak and learn German is at least as big as the motivation of my dad to help me. And beside of my great passion for helping people, I have for you the right tools to be successful. And this combination of my motivation and my unique method is something that 99% of all teachers unfortunately don't know. Just like all those professionals who couldn't fix my door. And if you want to open this door with me in record time, then you are just one click away. Just sign up with your name and email address and watch right now my free webinar on how to open this door as fast as you can. My webinar will not just only blow your mind. No, you will even get, if you sign up right now as a little, or let's say a big surprise, my grammar course totally for free. So sign up right now and let's push open this door together. I see you in my webinar.